Are you interested in flipping books for a profit? In this video, we'll teach you how to sell books on Amazon in 5 easy steps, plus additional 5 tips to boost your book sales on Amazon. So let's get to business. Just imagine something as simple as cleaning out your bookshelves can open the gateway to your financial freedom with extra income. Without further ado, let's check out the step-by-step guide on how to sell books on Amazon and kickstart your own online business now. Step 1. Choose your Amazon seller account. There are 2 types of seller accounts. If you have fewer items to sell or selling online is only a hobby for you, we recommend you to subscribe to an individual seller account and pay 99 cents for each item sold. On the contrary, if you sell 40 or more items per month, you should consider paying a flat monthly fee of $39.99 and becoming a professional seller. Aside from seller account fees we just mentioned, Amazon charges both individual and professional seller referral fees for every item sold. The amount depends on the product category, and the referral fee for the book category is 15% of the total sales price. Sellers also need to pay a closing fee of $1.80 per sold item under media categories, including books, DVD, music, software, and computer/video games, video game consoles, and video game accessories. Step 2. Decide your fulfillment method. You can choose fulfillment by merchant or fulfillment by Amazon. The key to your decision is the number of orders you need to fulfill in a month. FBM stands for fulfillment by merchant. Sellers pick, pack, and ship books to the buyers directly with no intervention from Amazon, and sellers are also responsible for storing their Amazon inventory. FBM is good for sellers who have only a few orders to fulfill, and the costs including shipping, handling expenses, and storage fees are lower than Amazon's FBA fees. FBA, on the other hand, stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Amazon stores sellers' inventory in Amazon's fulfillment centers and picks, packs, ships, and provides customer service for these orders. Sellers pay Amazon FBA fees to fulfill orders instead of doing these tasks themselves. FBA is good for sellers who have a lot of orders to fulfill, and the total cost and expense of operation and storage if you fulfill the order yourself are higher than FBA fees. A little confused by all the Amazon fees? No worries, we have a video dedicated to the Amazon FBA fees 2021. Step 3. Find book sources. Where are the best places to find books to sell on Amazon? Here are some of the sourcing options. For all the traditional secondhand sales, we recommend you attend the sales really early, to avoid crowds or other resellers. It also is a good idea to bring a scanner and a couple of friends to help you pick out the profitable books, which is much more efficient. Step 4. Select the top-selling type of books. Make sure to select the right book categories that will sell well. Here are some of the most popular genres and categories for books on Amazon. Textbooks. Pay attention to the price-changing patterns of the textbook season and check if any new edition is published. Comic books. Rare collectible books. For example, first edition books are those signed and autographed by authors. Niche books. Old editions. Hardcovers. Non-fiction. Step 5. Create your book listings on Amazon. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Then click Catalog in the top left corner and select Add Product. Enter your book's ISBN code into the search bar. ISBN stands for International Standard Book Number. It is a registration code that every book has. It's usually found on the back cover next to the barcode. Select the condition you're selling it in: new, used, or collectible. You can check the updated Amazon condition guidelines in Amazon Seller Central. Then click Sell this product. Enter a SKU for your book. If you don't enter a SKU, Amazon will create one for you. Enter your price. Enter how many copies of the books you're selling. Lastly, choose your fulfillment method. Then click Save and Finish. In general, your book is already available on Amazon to sell, so you can follow the steps to list your book. But if your book doesn't come up in the search results when you enter your book's ISBN, that means that it is not currently listed on Amazon. Click Create a New Listing. You'll need to enter the name of the book, the author, quantity, price, and other details. 5 tips to boost book sales on Amazon. Tip 1. Download Amazon's mobile seller app. Amazon's mobile seller app comes with a scanner for sellers to scan the book ISBN codes to find out the product price, FBA fees, bestsellers rank, and all other information you need. You could also use a wireless barcode scanners to boost up your sourcing efficiency. Tip 2, check Amazon bestsellers rank. Each product on Amazon has a bestsellers rank, and the lower the overall number, the more items the listing is selling. A book with a BSR lower than 100,000 can make sales shortly. A heads up for you on the types of books that don't sell well on Amazon. They either have larger print runs, meaning there are more copies in circulation, or readers tend to get rid of them quickly once they're done reading. And you don't want to sell popular new books either, because Amazon will be your toughest competitor. Tip 3, use the profit calculator to determine sales margins. BQool's AI-powered Repricer provides a built-in price profit calculator to help you calculate the profit and ROI by considering all product costs and Amazon fees. Tip 4, optimize price with an AI-powered Repricer. To keep an edge over the competition at all times, repricing must be a critical part of your Amazon seller strategy, but the process can be time-consuming when there are many books to reprice. BQool's AI-powered Repricer detects competitor behavior and automatically applies the best strategies to generate more sales and profits for you. Tip 5, take advantage of Amazon FBA's Small and Light program. If you're selling a new book at $7 or less and it complies with the criteria indicated, you should consider joining the program to pay a lower fulfillment fee and boost up your profit. Plus, your books will be eligible for free Prime delivery. Your customers will be qualified for free shipping without the need to meet the $25 minimum purchase requirement. This usually means more sales and profits for you. Many successful Amazon book resellers use BQool's AI-powered Repricer to reprice their inventory, monitor competition, and maximize sales and profits. You can watch our customer testimonial videos to find out how BQool AI Repricer doubles their book sales, increase 40% more sales, or help them sell an astronomically number of books in just a few days. Go ahead and sign up for our risk-free 14-day free trial. No credit card is needed. Let AI Repricer scale up your Amazon book selling business. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful Amazon knowledge and tips. Also, join our Facebook group to have a seller community to support you. We're BQool. We keep innovating to help you stay cool with your Amazon business.